Are you looking for the best snow blowers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best snow blowers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. EGO Power Plus Peak Power Snow Blower. If you live in an area with light snowfall, we think the battery-powered EGO Power Plus Peak SNT2112 is the best pick for those on a budget. While on the smaller and more affordable side, this snow blower boasts extra features often seen on more expensive models, such as LED headlights, variable speed control, a chute adjustment lever, and a grip-activated auger. We tested a previous model of this snow blower, the SNT2102, and the setup and operation was the quickest of all the models we tested. It took us just 10 minutes to get the machine out of the box and running. Storing is also a breeze with its quick fold handle and compact size. As a cordless, battery-powered model, no extension cords or outlets are needed during operation. We like that it uses both batteries simultaneously for a longer runtime, and each battery only takes about an hour to charge. Note that this model does not have a self-propelling feature, so it may take a bit more effort to move and turn. But at just over 60 pounds, it was the lightest option we tested, and we found it very easy to control and steer, even for first-time users. It was also much more powerful than we expected from a smaller, single-stage model. During testing, the SNT2102 cleared dense snow in just one pass in all but one extra heavy section that required 2 passes, and the brand claims that the updated SNT2112 cuts through ice and tough snow even faster. During our long-term testing, we experienced a dense snowfall that resulted in 10 inches of wet, heavy snow. The EGO had a hard time pushing through some of the thickest areas. It took a bit of back and forth to complete the task. Still, we were able to eventually cut through the dense snow. While this definitely isn't the most powerful snow blower on our list, we recommend this affordable model for anyone in locations with smaller cleanup areas and minimal snowfall accumulation. Product details: type, single stage, power, battery, start type, push button, clearing width, 21 inches, intake height, not listed. Number 2. Ariens Deluxe 28 SHO. At over 250 pounds and with a 28-inch clearing width, the Ariens ST28 DLE Deluxe is a powerful pick for large driveways and heavy snowfall. Despite its size, we found this snow blower easy to maneuver, thanks to its self-propelled transmission and auto-turn steering that we found made turning the large machine almost feel light. We were able to clear nearly a foot of snow off a 3-car driveway and sidewalks with little effort. We found the manual choke start easy to use, but we also like that this model has an electric push-button option for an even simpler startup. During operation, the adjustable chute allowed us to direct snow exactly where we wanted it, something we especially appreciated when throwing snow on a windy day. The grip-activated auger proved useful when passing over areas that had previously been cleared. We also like the LED headlights that provided better visibility during low-light hours. While it's on the pricey side, we think the features and power this snow blower provides makes it well worth the cost if you have a considerable area to clear and the space to store a large machine. However, if you live in a region with light snowfall or don't have a large driveway, you'll want to pick a smaller model. Product details: type, 2-stage, power, gas, start type, push button, clearing width, 28 inches, intake height, 21 inches. Number 3. EGO Power Plus Cordless 2-Stage Snow Blower. Buying an electric snow blower doesn't mean you need to give up all the strength of a gas-powered machine, and this 2-stage model from EGO is proof. This eco-friendly pick is effective, quiet, and easy to assemble and use. And since it's powered by 2 batteries, you don't have to mess around with outlets and extension cords. With a 24-inch clearing width, this mid-sized snow blower is great for medium to large driveways without being too cumbersome to store. Its variable auger and self-propelling speeds makes it easy to operate, and we were easily able to clear 5 inches of wet snow during testing. We found that the skid shoes needed some adjusting to find the perfect height for our driveway, but once we found the sweet spot, operation was smooth sailing. The adjustable chute throws snow up to 50 feet, and the wet snow didn't get clogged during our tests. It also has 4 bright LED lights for added visibility. Overall, this is one of the best options for those who need a powerful, 2-stage machine but want the convenience of an electric model, no dealing with messy gas or manual starts. While it's on the more expensive side, we think it's worth its value. Product details: type, 2-stage, power, electric, start type, push button, clearing width, 24 inches, intake height, 20 inches. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN Self-propelled gas snow blower. If you live in a region that regularly experiences heavy, wet snowfall, this 2-stage CRAFTSMAN model is a powerful pick to easily clear your driveway and sidewalks. While it's heavy-duty, we found it simple to use thanks to its self-propelling drive and easy-to-operate lever that adjusts between 6 forward and 2 reverse speeds. After the durable sawtooth steel augers break through snow and ice, the blower can throw snow up to 40 feet away through its steel chute that rotates 200 degrees. The chute is easily controllable with controls to adjust it left, right, up, and down, and it can reach its full rotation in just 2.5 cranks. While we didn't need it often, the machine comes with a handy tool to clean out tough clogs. And once the job is done, the handles fold down for compact storage. In our 5 years of using this snow blower, it hasn't required more than regular maintenance. It's such a durable pick that when our neighbors' snow blowers have broken, they've borrowed ours. While it would be nice to have extra features like heated handles, we think this machine offers an incredible value, especially for those looking for a long-term investment. Product details: type, 2-stage, power, gas, start type, push button, clearing width, 24 inches, intake height, 20 inches. Number 5. Ariens Classic Snow Blower. This pick from Ariens Classic line is the best snow blower we tested. With the strength of a gas-powered model and the ease of an electric push start, it's truly the best of both worlds. While this mid-priced model doesn't have all the bells and whistles included in higher-priced snow blowers, we found the effortless maneuverability and powerful throwing well worth its value. Unboxing and assembling the snow blower was a breeze, and Ariens even provides detailed instruction videos that we found helpful during setup. Note that you'll need to provide several of your own tools to complete the task, but once assembled, it was simple to start and operate. We love that it can be turned on with either a manual recoil start or a simple push of a button, a feature sure to be helpful on extra cold days. With a 2-stage design, a 24-inch clearing path, and the ability to clear snow up to 20 inches deep, this blower is powerful enough to tackle moderate to heavy snowfall. We used it to clean up after a heavy 10-inch snowfall, and it worked just as quickly as it did with less and lighter snow. What's more, its self-propelling feature can be set to 6 forward speeds and 2 reverse speeds controlled by a lever, allowing you to easily change pace during operation, depending on your needs. We like that this snow blower has a throwing distance of 40 feet, and with the chute's 205-degree rotation that can be adjusted during operation, we felt fully in control of the direction we were sending the snow. When it comes to snowblower safety, Kaiser advises to never put your arm in a snow chute, and this pick includes a tool to safely dislodge any clogs. We didn't experience any clogging during testing, even with wet, heavy snow at the end of the driveway, but having the tool provided extra peace of mind. In addition, we appreciated the extra safety features like grip-activated auger control and a key for quick engine shut-off. While it may not have the bells and whistles of a more expensive model, we think that this mid-priced option is an all-around winner, making it our overall top snow blower. Product details: type, 2-stage, power, gas, start type, push button, clearing width, 24 inches, intake height, 20 inches.